Located here in the southeast side of Napa are 22-story single-family homes built by Edenbridge in an area called the Toscana Community. Built in 2021, my new listing has own solar, an EV charger, central heat and air, new hardwood flooring from Anderson Tuftax, and has been meticulously maintained. My name is Nadia Valenzuela with Corcoran Icon Properties. Let's go inside to 349 Vinterra Court. Inside, there's lots of natural light throughout the day with a south-facing backyard. Soaring 12-foot ceilings on the main level, the open floor plan brings everyone together, sitting by the fireplace or cook a delicious meal in your chef-style kitchen with stainless steel appliances from Bosch. The second level offers 9-foot ceilings with a loft space that you could use as office or workout area, a separate laundry room, and all bedrooms, including the primary wing with a walk-in closet and spacious primary bathroom. As you step into the backyard retreat, enjoy dining al fresco or sitting by the fire. This thoughtfully designed backyard, created with each plant, floral and citrus in mind, along with the beautiful stonework, creating a tranquil setting. Thank you so much for joining me here at 349 Vinterra Court. It's a beautiful blend of sophistication and eco-conscientious amenities. Stay tuned for additional details with the property website and my contact information, and I'll see you at the next front door.